This video, we are going to assemble the elephant slice card. So I have all of my pieces here ready to go. And we're just going to get right to it. So we're going to start here with our back piece. And you have this funny looking pink piece. I think I let my glue bottle. Nope. I thought I let it get dried out. That's going to be very upsetting. All right, so we're just going to put, we're going to center this right here in the center of this piece. And then we're going to glue this guy into place. These cards are an A1 card, I believe. They are 3x4. They each come with an envelope. Let me just. It's like 4 1/4 by. So maybe 4 1/2 by 3 1/2. Is this card size. On the middle layer, you're going to glue this black piece behind the head. And then I'm going to pop this head up with a pop dot. And I think I will also pop up his trunk. I'm going to use a little circle pop dot I have here. Just kind of center it on the top half of the trunk. And then glue this onto its base. Now you've got your 3 slices. That's how you're going to assemble it all together. And you've got one with no slices in it. That one's for the front. So we're going to start by putting this heart into place. Now, I mentioned in an earlier video that I do not have a printer at home. Oops. Oh no. So I was not able to print the sentiments that come with these, but they do have them. And on this one, the first one I didn't pop the hands, but on this one I think I'm going to. Uh-oh, that may not be sticky. It's not. I bought these dots on Amazon, and I would not recommend them. I don't remember what brand they are. I don't think they're really a brand. They were just a cheap pack of dots, but they lose their, they lose their sticky. So I'm not too, I'm not too impressed with them. All of a sudden I have the hiccups, so I apologize. Okay, so I can put the hands on the top because those are not affected by the slice piece. But the feet, I have to wait until I put the card together to put the feet on if you want to pop them up, because the slice goes over it. Goes over the feet, where the feet go. And if you put it on now, you won't be able to get it together. So I am going to put them together, but I can't put them on the base until after I get the card put together. Okay, so we're going to take our main base piece. We're going to slide our little slices up in here. And then I'm going to glue this. I'll fold that tab back there, and I'm going to glue these down. And then you have to fold this back the other way, so it will move both ways. Okay. Do that to the next one. Just take your time and line it up, and then fold it both directions so it moves. And then finally the center one. Now you're putting these slices through on this first one on the very end slice piece, okay? And then you want to fold this both ways. There we go. Okay. Now we can slide in our center because we have it ready to go. It just takes a few seconds to get that lined up there on the slice, and it's a little bit tight because you've got some thickness there with the piece going down and over it, so you want to work it, kind of work it both ways, get your paper moving. The nice thing about paper is just takes a few times and then it really gets moving good. And then we're going to put our front piece on. You just want to get it slid all the way down to the bottom. And then we're going to fold these pieces over and we're going to glue these in place as well. That center is popping up. So I like this method for this card because it allows it holds this together a little bit better. It allows us to stay together because I'm already having trouble keeping the center piece in. So this just holds the card together a little bit better, I think. And then to cover that up, we're going to put this blank piece over the top of it. And that just cleans everything right up. For the back, you're going to glue this piece on. And this gives you a nice surface to write a message on. So you have the whole back. If you do this in white, you'll have the whole back to write on, and that covers up those tabs there on the back for you. And you see when you have your elephant up, that's just the inside of his ears there. And then we're going to use some foam tape here for the front. Tape those right into place. There we are. And that, oh, it's not finished yet. So there is a bow for this one. There's a bow for each one of these. And if you would like to make it a boy, you can use the bow as a bow tie, or make it a girl by using the bow on the head. I'm going to make mine, all of mine, a girl. There. And there is your elephant. Thank you for joining me.